What's up, going back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my slime. But y'all, Lord, this the slime ball. This thing to go in it. But as you can see, I painted some things. This the small one I got, but I just use it for this small stuff because I wanted to. I took it out of the slime that I had and used it. Don't got coronavirus. Just had to get my good cough. Might cough a lot in this video, but just know I don't have coronavirus. I know I can't say. Hey guys, if you want to know what it smells like blueberry, blue raspberry. Y'all know them ring pop. That's exactly what it smells like. Go to Walmart, go all the way to the back where the coloring stuff at. You'll see it on the little line thing right here. Walmart Alexander City or wherever Walmart y'all go to. I don't know about the other Walmarts, but I know about the other city Walmart. And if you don't think this slime, not the slime that scratch. Yes, it is. But it's the breaking slime too. Oh, this one. Look what I can make. You know, wow, I thought I was gonna fall. Woo, woo, woo. I'm finna make a little curve in the middle. Stuck in. Don't be looking at my belly, boys, or whoever you is. I mean girls, not boys. I mean girls. Because I know y'all gonna have something to say if I say what I need to say. I ought to say what I gotta say on YouTube, but I ain't gonna do y'all look. The ugly. Oh, to all the people that I don't like is ugly. All the people that's not my friends is ugly. Well, I ain't gonna say all. I ain't gonna say all the people, but I'll take that back. Y'all might be cute, but y'all might be ugly too, because I know I'm ugly, baby. And can't nobody sit there and tell me I'm ugly, because oh, that's not. And guys, let me show you how I pack my slime. Hold on. Wait a minute, slime. Taking me too far. Oh, snap. Oh, God. Oh, yes, my slime do fart. So if you think I farted, no, just the slime. It stink. Because the slime fart too much. Well, when I tell you this slime smell exactly like that, oh yes, let me tell you guys. So, when I went to Walmart, I had got some goggles thinking I was gonna go. Cause I ain't think. My gum itch. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. I had got some goggles. Wait, I'm gonna put it on here so I can just. I had got some goggles thinking, I mean not thinking, but wanted to go swimming. Wanted to go. Look, I told my mama it was Sunday yesterday. I said, Mama, I want to go swimming, but I don't got nobody older to go with me. So Mama said, it's Sunday. Who goes swimming? And you can't. The swimming pool closed. Oh, I said I wanted. I was talking about tomorrow, like right now today. But I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm coming with you, cause y'all mad to see. And so, let me show you how the goggles fit on me. Let me show you guys. These is for 4-year-old. Look, look and see how they fit. Everybody saying they look like they can fit. Like, they could fit it down, just untie this thing right here. It's not a guarantee. Then when I go in the water, I ain't gonna hear. I really want to go swimming. And the thing, like, if the thing break, look, how in the world? Where you come from?
Huh?
Where you come from?
Out the ground? I grow like a weed, baby. Where your granny at?
In her room.
Sleep?
Nope.
Yeah, she tired.
Thought you was in your room.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's my cousin. He's still here. So, if you thought that was my dad or my brother, that would not be my brother. Well, I thought it was my uncle. I'm finna be right now. I'm finna go talk to him. They never let me talk to means. I talk to means. I'm just kidding. I be talking to you. I be talking a lot. I'm just kidding. I don't talk to no means. Like what the world you thought I was? The only man, if I do talk to a man, the only man that I will talk to is somebody I know, not no kidnapper. Like, no. See, look, it say blue raspberry on it. See, what it say blue? Oh, hold on, let me see. See what it say? You see what it say blue raspberry? Blue raspberry. I wish I could get you to smell it. Don't it smell good? And I'm doing like y'all can smell. Y'all dare me to eat this. I don't even eat slime. I don't even eat slime, and I never will. I never. Well, I choose slime. I ain't chew no. I did that. Look, if y'all think I ate it, I ain't chew the idea. Of these men. Forget these men. If y'all think I said F these men for the cuss word, no, I did not. Because I know y'all some snitches. Maybe some snitches. No. Oh, y'all, my dad work up here. He working up here, but he don't work up here. He working up here today. My daddy stayed in Montgomery, but he came up here. And I just left. I just got back from seeing my daddy. I'll be back. I forgot all about y'all. He drank spilled. Y'all, that stuff was funny. That stuff was funny. He drank. Cause he didn't know he should get drink up. He came out the room. That stuff said. Like, drop it on you. I don't want my slime to be looking ugly like some people. Like a person. Probably like a person who don't. I'll be down for the go eat.